Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a highly requested video from a lot of our viewers. So here we are, and I'm going to share with you guys how we wash our rugs. Before washing a rug in your home, always make sure that you refer to your care instructions or the maker's cleaning instructions. But this is a technique that we use to wash our flat weave rugs, outdoor rugs, even printed rugs. Things like a shag or something with a higher pile may not work as well, so we've never tried that, but this is more for the lower pile rugs. So we take our rug, this is a 9 by 12 I believe, outside, and we always clean this out on the patio and it works really well. I just use my regular garden hose with the spray nozzle. I think it's from Walmart. I'll try and link a similar one below. And I just use the jet setting on there. If you have a power washer, that would probably work amazing too, but we don't, so I just use my jet setting. And I take some laundry detergent. Yes, laundry detergent. This is just Tide, and I literally just put this all over the rug. Depending on how dirty your rug is, we don't need a ton for this one. It wasn't that bad. And then after the laundry detergent is on there, I take a push broom and literally just push this broom all over that rug and really work that detergent in there. This will definitely give your arms a good workout, but I promise you it cleans the rugs so well. We love doing this every couple months with our rugs, and it also leaves the cleanest smell. We had the biggest little helper here. He loves helping with all the chores. And so we will literally brush that on for, I don't know, maybe about 10 to 15 minutes of really just good brushing. And then once it is all brushed in, we'll give it a good rinse. And the rinsing does take a while to get a lot of the soap out, so you just kind of have to keep rinsing and rinsing until there's hardly any soap left. We have washed this rug so many times. We used to have this one inside at our old house, and now it's moved to outside, but this rug has seen a lot of wear and tear, and just washing it like this, it brings it back every single time. We have also washed our Rug Collective rug just like this one as well, and then we plan on washing our new Laloy printed rug just like this one as it needs it. So after the soap is completely rinsed off, the rug will be completely drenched in water. So we just take our outdoor chairs, we take the cushions off of them, and then we let this rug dry out for a good 24 to 48 hours. And for us, the detergent and the water and all of that, it does not harm our grass at all. We have never had a problem with the detergent or anything ruining our grass or ruining our concrete. So like I said before, this rug wasn't terrible, but it definitely can use some cleaning up, and I feel like that little technique just makes this rug look so brand new. Every single time, it just makes it look new again. And once it's completely dry, you are left with the freshest smelling rug ever. I promise you, it smells so good. So we're gonna put our patio furniture back, fluff these pillows a little bit, turn that fire pit on because it was a little chilly that day. There was a good little breeze going, but the kids were having fun playing outside, and it was a good day. So I hope this video inspires you to try something new, or you just enjoy watching it as well. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and give me a follow at Valerie Aguiar. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you next time.